down to the baseline.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is gonna be my second video for 2018, and I am currently with Miss Eureka Isao, or aka Miss Super Eureka on Instagram. What are we gonna do today?
A very neutral, super wearable, effortless makeup.
Nude. We're gonna go.
Just check the title below.
Yeah.
You still have to think about it.
So we're not gonna do a glam version today. We're just gonna be doing an effortless nude look. So we're currently here at her place our venue to hold a party for her BRB party because she's leaving for Hong Kong. So without further ado, let's get to makeup again.
I thought you were gonna say started, but
let's go start. So now we're gonna use MAC Painterly Paintpot, and we're gonna start on her lids again.
Give me that bone.
So we're now gonna use the Revolution Makeup London Iconic Pro, the eyeshadows, and we're gonna take this set, the very first one. Take the Anastasia contour kit and just mix around the colors here, or any bronzer that you have. Just get it and then mix it together.
Oh, I mean you're talking. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna start like having some sips.
Yeah.
With Jessica. Where's Jessica? I'm here!
So this is Jessica.
I have a blog.
She's a blogger. She's a fashion blogger.
Yeah. I'm looking for my cigarettes. Bye! She's a drug addict.
Kidding.
So what are you? I'm so comfortable. Like I feel so relaxed right now.
Because every time you ask me to do your makeup, you're always so sleepy.
Yeah. I'm supposed to be like, you know, very active and stuff. Because I'm drinking like, oh, but it's like, it's working for me. Oh, so this is the Intuit. You know, I love this eyeshadow.
It's an eyebrow powder.
It's an eyebrow. I love this one. I'm using this as well. When my hair was super black, I was using this one. Ding. And now that I kind of like dye my hair a little bit brownish, I'm using this one.
But I'm using this for the nose contour. This is my nose contour powder.
Yeah, it's very like multifunctional.
Multifunctional.
So Intuit, please sponsor it.
Yeah, Intuit. Just kidding. Hey.
I'm just sure so.
It's functional. Applying this eyeshadow really messily because this is so effortless. You know, like.
So that's how it is, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna use this stroke cream from MAC, and it's a sample size, and
I've never tried this.
I thought you loved it.
No, I've never tried it.
She just wants to try this.
I just want to try it because people talk highly about this.
No cursing in my channel.
Sorry. I'm gonna
have her do her lashes. She likes doing her own.
Do we have to do an eyeliner?
Yeah, later, but we're not gonna do a very dramatic one because we're doing effortless. And she's using a.
I'm gonna use these lights camera splashes.
Sorry guys, my camera died.
Died?
Oh bad.
His camera died.
So we just blended the foundation all over her skin, and now I'm gonna put a darker foundation around the perimeters of her face. Not that dark, but now we're gonna put concealer. I'm using Mineralize concealer in the shade NC30. Okay, we're gonna highlight first. If you don't blend it as soon as possible, you can get fuller coverage.
Huh? Really?
Yeah, you have to wait it out a bit. Look up.
No, I can't do there.
So we're gonna first blend the other part. And now we're gonna just bake. I'm using my favorite powder from Nichido. Well, you guys can't see, but I'm the cake. Look up. We're gonna set it right away so it won't crease. Look up.
Ooh, it's baking.
It smells good, no?
Yeah, it's like Johnson's baby.
Don't!
Ooh!
Okay, so while we're letting that sit,
yeah,
this is her
this
favorite
is my
part.
favorite part.
And my favorite, the into it.
Into it.
Actually,
Just
I'm gonna
blend
mix 3.
Okay.
She has some really unruly eyebrows, and it's nice.
Unruly.
She already has full brows. I mean, you don't really need a lot,
Of
but
course, not a lot, but it's just you need
more
time
definition.
and patience
To what?
tame all of them.
I know, right?
You're very stubborn.
No, you don't.
Naiihi talaga ako. Wait lang. Naiihi kasi ako.
Yep. So now the eyebrows are done.
Oh my god!
So
I look so
hiding.
effortless.
Now we're gonna contour with the contour kit, and I'm just gonna mix. I'm gonna bronze her face first using this shade. She's busy on her phone because everyone's calling her. And now we're gonna contour with this shade right here in the middle. And what's left is I'm gonna mix everything. Then I'm just gonna dust it like some parts here. Then now we're gonna do blush. And I'm using my all-time favorite blush from NARS, the Orgasm.
Oh, my favorite blush too. I'm using this one. For real.
Just put it around her cheeks. I'm not a fan of just like here. I like bringing out here. Well, it depends on the face shape, but majority I like. What? And now I'm gonna contour her nose, like with this favorite shade here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna use this 05 from YSL. And yeah, it's a bit new. It's her lips, but better color. I mean, this is the joy of using nude lipstick. I mean, you could just smother it all on her lips.
His face like.
Great, and now we're gonna put a bit of that color down the eyes. And blend it out.
Oh, that's nice.
Mascara down there. Her part. Lights, camera, flashes. Slashes, splashes. Okay, while she's doing her lashes, I'm gonna put highlighter from Bobbi Brown. It's the Shimmer Brick Compact, and I'm gonna use this color up here. Yeah. Yeah, we got a bit carried away.
Yeah. It's not very effortless.
The way it looks, it's not that effortless.
But it's effortless for him.
No, I mean...
Yeah, we just like played a bit with the highlighter and stuff like that. You know, highlighter makes like a big difference. And the lashes.
And the hair. Because she's wearing a dress, so...
Not a dress.
I mean a dress, yeah.
Yeah, so we had fun, and we hope that you had fun with the video.
I mean, yeah, it's kind of... The video is everywhere, but it's okay. That's us. We're all over the place most of the time,
Yeah.
So...
Thank you very much, Cheska,
for guiding us with the camera.
Like, yeah.
So this is Cheska, and we're
Hi,
gonna do our next video with her.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see. We'll see you guys soon. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Oh, don't forget to
subscribe
and
unsubscribe
and
like
and
subscribe below. Comment down below, yeah.
Sure, comment down below, and guys, please do subscribe. And I'll see you guys on our next video. Bye bye.
Very first eyeshadow you can see in the palette, and I'm going to just it all over the lid. So went ahead.